too. You gotta add in there. You gotta breathe too, Stormy. Yeah, I know what you mean, man. Take a long time for the water to go down, but at the same time, they gotta breathe too. They break.
Here I am. Yeah, you can not in the leak, and you Stormy.
Contact. Bye, Stormy. Have a good night. Hey, Stormy Weather. Have a good night. I keep in water gates rolling on you, man. Hey, Stormy. I keep in water gates rolling. Bye.
Round Oregon, and I bang left now. Good day.
Banking left. I'll see you.
See how you put me on the bus? A17 a bad man. That duck sugar A17 bad, that mobile, man.
No, man, I'm just a mud duck, man. They can't say that too loud. I'm whispering in my microphone. Hey, Buzzard, I'm whispering in this microphone out there. Bye.
I want to ask you a question. What the hell is whispering in the microphone got to do when you running the right shit? A17, talk to me.
Yeah, you can whisper. I just learned that. I just figured that out lately out there. I don't have to yell. Because the box talked back to me and said stop yelling, so start whispering out there.
Oh, I don't know. You see how I be talking? I take my time. I don't need to raise my voice. That's what the mic's for. No doubt about it. A17, I bank left.
Yeah, 10-4. I got this water gate. I got to go through all my water gates. 1 minute and 41 seconds out there. So I got 1 minute 41 seconds on you, so I can so you can listen how you whispering in the microphone. They break.
Yeah, all right, then A17. Yeah, I've been going through my videos today, man. I put some more on my YouTube. Go to my YouTube. There's some more now. No doubt about it. You own them. I put you anytime you own them. I put your numbers on there. No doubt about it. A17, me, Buzzard, bang.
Jeez, sound like you're out there in Arizona the way you sounding right now, man. You see it on the Watergate. Sound like you you out there in Arizona. I mean, you driving on the road together out there, Buzzard. Bye.
No doubt. I got to get. A17, I got to get. A17, me, Buzzard, Northwest corner, biggest duck. And I bank left now.
Dead full. Okay, Buzzard. I'm going back, read the mail while I got another 30 more minutes of driving. Take it, Buzzard. I'm going.
You can't, baby. Who's his master? Where's your chicken? Chicken. You got a sidekick bird. You got no sidekick chicken. Who's his master, Ray?
Who walking the chicken? Hey, Uncle Switchblade, who walking them damn chickens they bring? Hey, Uncle Switchblade, who walking them chickens? Hey, Uncle Switchblade, who know my who's and know my hoes said, who walking them chickens they bring?
Years ago, and never can't make it so.
Well, let me get out of here. It's time for the dirty south to roll. Stormy Wells said it's time for the dirty south to start rolling in. So I'm going to get the mobile on out of here, Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather, big mobile and the black gold is pulling back out all.
3 minutes, 39 seconds. 3 minutes, 39 seconds. Video gate 155. I'm shutting it off. Bye. Time for the dirty south to roll in, man. It's time for the dirty south to roll in out there around Arizona. Break.
Yeah, it's time for the dirty south. It's time for the dirty south. You know, I don't like to talk out of condition. Stormy Weather Mobile in Oklahoma is 10-7 of golf.
Contact. Yeah, 4 minutes, 19 seconds. Video gate 155. I'm gonna stop this Watergate, man. I've been Watergating you out there, Stormy. They get Stormy Weather 817. Mobile said video gate 155. Look for that number. I'm gonna upload it tonight. Bye.
No, it's just... Here I am. I'll be looking for it. Stormy Weather Mobile and the black gold say I'll be looking for the gate. I'm out of here 10-7. Won't be no more. 817. Stormy Weather, big suburban Oklahoma is gone.
Contact, and I'll see ya. Have a good day. That was fun today, man. I'll see ya.
True, man. I hope together that we can get together at a break, man, later on down the road. But, man, I'm so glad to hear your voice. There's so many of us are not
050, you're a real nice guy, man. Hey, Stormy, that 050, you're a real nice guy. Bye. Stormy, you a mess. Biggest stormy weather. Bye bye bye.
PC Mouse, I'm not mad.